Welcome to Techno Cafe. This is where you'll learn tips and tricks for using your iPhone and iPad and other software or apps. I am Ruth Chevres, your host on this channel. I've been teaching people how to use software for the last 20 years. I love technology and teaching people how to make the most of it. In this video, I'll show you how to make searches in your messages and how to delete messages or media to recover space on your iPad and iPhone. So let's start. First, open your Message app. Second, swipe down from the top and the search field appears. Third, type the word or name or tap on the microphone icon and dictate the word. The iPhone shows all the conversations and links within these conversations that have the word you use on your search. To see the message, just tap on it. Search for the message thread and tap the edit link on the top left of the screen. Tap on Select Messages and select the message or messages thread you want to eliminate. Tap on the Delete link on the bottom right side of the screen and select Delete. Now the message thread is gone. The easiest way if you want to delete just one message thread is swiping left on the message thread, tap on the Delete icon and then select Delete. Yes! The message thread is gone. Sometimes you need to free up some space in your iPhone or iPad. Well, it's very easy to delete this data and recover that space. Let's see how it's done. Go to your Messages app and open the conversation that has the media you want to delete. Now, there are two ways to delete media. Let's see the first way. If the media is on view, just press on top of it until the shortcut menu appears. Tap on More. The image appears already selected. If needed, you can select more than one file. Once you have your selection, tap the trash icon on the left bottom side of the screen. Tap Delete Messages and voila, it's gone. For the second way, open the conversation that contains the media you want to delete and tap the contact's name. Tap on the info icon, scroll down to see all the media that have been included in that conversation you had with that contact. The media is organized in categories: photos, links, location, documents, among others. The categories that will appear will depend on the media that are in the messages you had with that contact. To delete one photo or document, just tap on top of it and select Delete from the shortcut menu. Tap Delete Attachment. To delete more than one file, tap on the See All link of that category. Then tap on the Select link. Choose the files and tap the Delete link on the bottom right side of the screen. Tap Delete Attachment. They're gone! As we all saw, searching messages and deleting messages or media to recover space on your iPhone or iPad is quick and easy. Thanks for watching! Hope you learned a new trick today that will make your life easier. Share with others that may need this. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate the love. Come back for more tips and tricks on using your iPhone, iPad, and other apps. See you in the next video!